Hi, this is EMPORIA Smart 5 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So just to do that, we should hold for a while the empty space on our device home screen. And after that, we'll see here the widgets icon. Just tap on this icon. After that, we'll see here all the applications, what widgets we can add. For example, just to add the calendar schedule, we should just hold for a while the widget and just drag it to our home screen. If you want to resize the widget, we should just hold it for a while, and after that, we can make it bigger or smaller. So just let's make it smaller. And if you want to move the widget here on the screen or between the screens, or just to create the new screens with a widget, you should just hold it and drag it by this way. And to remove it from your home screen, you should just hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.